on our way to Asheville. We just got on the turnpike. We have about a 2-hour drive ahead of us. Anthony's the one doing that. And when we get there, we'll have to go through the airport. I'm not going to film any of that because it already gives me an anxiety attack, and having my camera out would just heighten that. So we're actually just going to go through the airport, and then I'll film when I get there. He's been serenading us the whole time.
I've been what?
That might get copyrighted.
What?
If you whistle the tune. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Nervous. He's nervous. We just boarded the plane. We just made it to the Airbnb. Our plane was so delayed, so we're here a lot later than we expected. But it is the cutest little place. And I'll show you guys the views in the morning. There's all our bags. It's so pretty. What are we gonna eat?
I have no idea. I don't even know how to get to this bus.
Did you even look it up?
No.
Well, I'm gonna look it up on my phone to see what the best places are. Oh, great. Add a tip to our list.
Okay. Fairview.
He's trying to figure out the bus route, which is pretty easy. We just gotta be there before like 6:02. Better pick somewhere to eat because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Trying to find the bus stop because bus rides are $1 and Lyft rides are $10. So you can imagine. I think it's a take a left on the sheet. Found the bus stop. This is a horrible angle, but my jacket's too fluffy for me to like pick it up. We are walking because the bus doesn't come for another 40 minutes and the walk would just take us like half of that, 20 minutes. So we are walking. Can I see you drink one? That was the funnest place ever, right?
It was really cool. Maybe that'd be our
Here is the vegan pizza. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm already in love with this place. Everywhere we've been has a vegan option and they call it something cute, so it's not like I'm like, oh, I want the vegan pizza. It's like, oh, I want the Murphy pizza. So I am in love with this town. I might just pack all my bags and my dogs and move here because in my town there's no vegan stuff. So we just made it back to the Airbnb. We walked a mile in the freezing cold. I showed you guys a little bit of that. I didn't show you guys the walk back because we were both out of breath and walking uphill. It was so miserable. But we stopped at 2 breweries. He drank his fair share of beer tonight, so we decided to come back to the Airbnb early and just like rest up for tomorrow because we have a full day. And I'm so excited to just like have my camera, bring it along, show you guys what we're gonna do. We're off, day 2. Look how beautiful it is. And in the summer, this is all like a garden. Headed to the bus stop. This time we're hoping we actually catch the bus, not have to walk. Like this would be 5 miles to where we're going. So stay tuned. I don't have a lot of content for day 3. I am now at home. I've been home for a couple days and I'm editing the video, and I realized there is not like a sufficient amount to show you guys how amazing the River Arts District was. It is a district full of artists and makers, and it's this community, this beautiful community of people that are trying to sell their art. And a lot of these galleries did not allow cameras or pictures, and we wanted to respect that. So we did put away our camera for a majority of the day because we spent about 8 hours there. And then after that, I left my camera at the Airbnb and me and Anthony went on a technology-free date to a restaurant called Plant. And on day 4, we spent all day traveling. We got to the airport early because we didn't know how long TSA would take. And then we just hung out in the airport and we reflected on our trip. Since I have no more video content, I'm going to show you guys pictures from the trip.